Stop fighting with slow, crashing audit files. Every modern auditor needs to know which tool is right for the job. XLOOKUP or Power Query. I'm cutting through the noise and giving you the definitive 5-minute answer. XLOOKUP is for speed on clean data. Power Query is for scale on massive, messy data. Let's look at the first scenario, when XLOOKUP is your fast, easy win. XLOOKUP is fantastic. If you have two relatively clean small tables, say linking employee IDs to their departments, XLOOKUP is the fastest way. It lets you search left, it handles errors, and it's super intuitive. XLOOKUP is fantastic if you have two clean, small tables like employee IDs and departments. XLOOKUP is the fastest way. It lets you search left, it handles errors, and it's super intuitive. I'll link these tables now. Watch the formula in the bar as I type XLOOKUP. Instant match. See the department populate immediately, and when there's no match, error handling keeps your sheet tidy. Wrap XLOOKUP in a fairer to show friendly messages instead of .NA. This is for speed. Single formulas running inside the workbook. But here's the limitation. When data grows, XLOOKUP starts to slow. 500,000 rows and complex joins? It can lag or crash. If you need to combine CSVs, databases, and Excel files, XLOOKUP isn't enough. That's when Power Query becomes the right tool instead. ETL outside the sheet. But for quick, clean lookups on small tables, XLOOKUP wins for speed. Quick recap. XLOOKUP suffers speed on clean data. Power Query on scale on messy, big data. Master both.
By store did it drawn stem of the one.
But here is the huge limitation. XLOOKUP is a single formula. It runs inside the workbook. When your data is 500,000 rows, or when it's just messy, XLOOKUP slows down and can crash your file. If your file is constantly crashing, or if you need to combine data from a CSV, a database, and an Excel file, you must use Power Query. Power Query is an ETL engine. It cleans the data outside of the spreadsheet and loads only the clean result. This is essential for audit. Here's our Power Query workspace, bank and GL sources, previewing bank statement, note source icons and columns, promote headers, then Power Query records the steps automatically. You can see clean column headers and sample rows, side by side, bank left, general ledger right, remove duplicate step, eliminates repeat lines instantly, choose merge queries to join both tables, select join type and matching key columns, change type applies correct data types to fields, reorder columns, promote headers, and tidy rows. Apply filters and conditional transforms for business rules. These applied steps form a repeatable workflow. Merge table now combines bank and GL transactions. Output shows deduped rows and consistent, typed columns. Scroll reveals thousands of rows with uniform formatting. Zooming out, queries pane and final preview together. Click close and load to push results back to Excel. Clean table appears in Excel, ready for analysis. Tabs show raw sources and the new clean table. Hit refresh whenever new files arrive. Refresh runs fast as Power Query replays the steps. Table updates instantly with the latest rows. Final state, tidy table, workflow ready for reuse. The best part? You build the workflow once. Next month you just hit refresh and your audit test runs instantly. That's the difference between being a data typist and a strategic auditor. If this just saved you hours this week, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button now. My goal is to equip every auditor with these modern tools. XLOOKUP for speed, Power Query for scale, master both.